This is a model of a cell membrane. This is a thin, flexible bilayer that surrounds the cell. The cell membrane encloses the organelles of the animal and plant cell. The membrane acts as a gate, allowing nutrients to enter and waste or other material to exit the cell. The cell membrane is important in keeping the cell alive because it holds the whole cell together. In order to operate correctly, the concentration levels of each molecule needs to be even. In order to balance the membrane, a process called diffusion takes place. Diffusion is the movement of molecules. Diffusion works to move molecules through high and low concentration levels. High concentration levels take place on the outside of the cell, and low concentration levels take place inside. Phospholipids make up the cell. They regulate what enters and leaves the cell. The protein channels are channels that allow molecules to enter the cell cytoplasm. Each channel is designated to a specific type of molecule. There is more of a molecule, such as glucose, on one side of the phospholipid bilayer than the other. The glucose has to travel through the protein channel to the side with less glucose. This is known as passive transport. If a molecule was moving from low to high concentration levels, that would be an active transport. This is basically how it works for all the molecules. The only difference is that the smaller molecules like O2, CO2, and H2O don't need help like the larger molecules do, so they can just pass right through the bilayer without the use of the protein channel or pump. Once all the molecules are even or equal on both sides, they diffuse back and forth through the cell because they bump each other. This is basically what goes down in a cell membrane in order to keep it alive and working properly.